going on, y'all? Everyday KaShay here, and welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, then you already know I'm inviting y'all into my space. Okay, I'm giving you an empty apartment tour, and it is move-in day, so this is why I look the way I do. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick peek at what my very quaint, intimate spot looks like. And then later I will give y'all a fully furnished apartment tour. So actually standing at the door right now. And when you first walk in, you immediately see the living room, which is obviously right here in front of me. And I love it. It's just enough space in the living room. I didn't want anything too large because then I would have to furnish it. So I intend to put my couch right there, my TV on this side. And then as you can see, and please don't mind the cable management, but as you can see, this is an office nook, like a little desk nook, and lighting is beautiful. It's perfect. It's not too warm. It looks great. I already have plans for this space. I have a bunch of like little desk trinkets and things that I'm excited to plug in there. But I'm also looking forward to putting my little furry gold and white chair right there. Of course, my Mac, or soon to own iMac, on that first shelf. And then outside, and don't mind my screen door, but outside, this is my balcony. Everybody kind of loves the size of the balcony, which is pretty large, I have to admit. So that's pretty dope. In here, I actually have a dining area, but I'm actually going to probably make this my shooting space because I really do need to get to work, get out some videos more consistently for you all. And then this, of course, is the kitchen area. Someone's in the kitchen right now. I'm trying to give you the opportunity if you would like to be in the video. Okay, then. All right, so this is the kitchen. This is the little bar area. Do have granite countertops. Don't mind all of this stuff. We literally, my mom and I just came in to, they can't see you, Barb. We just came in to get everything kind of wiped down and cleaned off and do a walkthrough, whatever. That's why you see like cups and all those cleaning materials and stuff. But this is, my little kitchen area, just enough space. Got a really cute backsplash and countertops, my stainless steel appliances. Y'all see my socks, my green socks? Look at that, lime green. Anyway. Refrigerator, because moving day, official moving day is going to be tomorrow. I got some waters and things in there, and then got some pantry space, so a little box wine that I'm planning to use for cooking, but also got some wines for drinking and stuff, and then obviously some additional overhead space. This is my little wash area, so I have my washer and dryer in here, right here, and then I have my trash cans and recycling. So super cute there. And also, then this is my bedroom. So my bedroom is actually perfect space because I really am a minimalist when it comes to my bedroom and what I want in my bedroom. So as you can see, there's this large window here. I love the lighting in this apartment. I was thinking because of how it is placed that the trees and such would, kind of block out some of the light that I feel like I'm going to need to get good footage, but I love it. So I like the placement, obviously, of my room. I love my walk-in closet. It's just large enough for all of my clothing, all 100 plus pair of my shoes, so that's gonna be bomb. Definitely gonna have to stack it up, but it is what it is. And then of course, for hanging and things, so that's cool. And then on the opposite side, y'all, we have my bathroom. So over here is my bathroom, and love the huge garden tub. I apologize, y'all, for the echo, but as you can imagine, we're in the bathroom and the AC is blaring because I think my leasing agent wanted to make sure that if we were moving in today, we would have, a cool escape from the heat outside. But love the garden tub, love the tiling in the back, the extra space. I plan on putting like some towels, obviously, my little linens in here, which is perfect. And then of course, other little toiletries and stuff. Love, this space. It's just enough. Like, it's literally all I need. Here is a very rusty looking KaShay, but it is what it is. Like the little overhead lights there for, or what are they called? Can't remember what I'm talking about right now, but love the lights there. Mirrors just perfect. So yeah, I really like this space. It is just enough breaker box behind the door in the bedroom. Definitely gonna try and switch out the lights for some of the fixtures in here with white lighting. Like as you can see, my closet would definitely need another light. It's so yellow, but it's okay because I don't intend to really shoot in there. And then don't mind Barb's shoes, any of our shoes, because that's actually not going to be a thing once I get situated and we're moved. Apple TV is awaiting the actual TV so that it can be set up and connected. It's kind of like my lifeline for streaming and such. But yeah, y'all, I can't wait to decorate and get everything furnished and just all of the things just set up the way I want to. So yeah, if y'all will hang tight for me or hang tight with me for a little while, like I said, I am gonna get things furnished. It'll probably be about another 3 weeks before I can get y'all the furnished apartment tour. I already have my furniture, so that part is easy. I just have to pick up some things here and there to make sure that I have everything that I want in the space that I would like. Play around with like placement of, you know, the pieces and stuff and decor items. So bear with me, but it's coming. This has been a long time coming, especially being a grad student and stuff. Y'all know if you've seen my older videos that I've been wanting to move into my own spot for a little while. So super excited about this. Finally, it's time, okay? And I'm gonna get some good work done in here. Like, can't wait to shoot, can't wait to get some editing done, can't wait to just be and in the moments where I feel creative, make creative stuff, right? Like create. So yeah, I am excited. I hope that y'all enjoyed this quick tour of my empty apartment, and I can't wait to show y'all the furnished version. I will talk to y'all soon. As always, I appreciate your support. See you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Now bye.